story of terror.
Flash flood warning for the following county: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 5 p.m. PDT. At 1:51 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Hourly rainfall rates in Palm Desert have exceeded 0.75 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indio, northeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Mount San Jacinto State Park, Cathedral City, Palm Desert, Eastern Desert Hot Springs, Rancho Mirage, North Palm Springs, and Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert.
I've been a big fan. I've been following you on Instagram. I've read all kinds of amazing articles. So I just kind of want to start it out by asking you a little bit about how you grew up and your life here in New Orleans.
Actually, the space we're in now is called.
最高じゃないですか。
最高だね。
これね、大津はですね、この関西を代表する実は。
バルシャークか。あ、バルシャークでした。バルシャークでいいじゃない。
Kiko-man, soy sauce, flavory, savory, soy sauce.
Born in Japan, brewed in the States for more than